What's going on, guys? Nick Mac here, Dutch Rudder Films. Just out at Ray's place today. Freaking doing some riding. Got two side-by-sides with me, the Kingquad and two side-by-sides. Never rode with them, but we'll see how they do. Here comes Daryl. So there's Carnage Co down there. Oh, no problems. Side-by-side seem to be getting through here, no problem. Honda, no problems for the Honda. Oh, fucking Suzuki's having problems getting through the holes. What am I talking about? No problems for the Suzuki. Nice butter. You didn't even need to put it in four-wheel drive. Used to get stuck here all the time. Ruts? What ruts? Fucking water. Oh, fuck. Big drop. Big drop. Are they coming? Let's see Coco over this big drop. Oh, like nothing. Just eating it up. Probably cruising with tunes on. Loving life. Oh, no problems. Oh, we'll wait for Daryl here. See if Daryl can make her down it.
I turned on?
I can't see it right now. Nope.
I can't even reach it.
Yeah, you just have to push the top button now. It's turned on. Yeah. I think Daryl's having problems. So far, so good, Co?
I'm wider than him. He has something wrong.
There he goes. No problems. Oh, no problem. I can get Daryl coming down this then. Oh yeah. Like butter. Like fucking butter. Oh yeah? Alright, hold on a second. There, you got shit on the fucking... Pushing the fucking log. Now he's got it right underneath him. I'm gonna have to move that log. Oh yeah, right. Oh. Fucking Daryl's listening to Take My Horse to the Old Town Road. problems for the side-by-sides. Oh, is she gonna climb it? Oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, it's fucking awesome. Look at that racer fucking doing roosters up the hill. Rear brake.